Hello, hi everyone. So today I'm here to talk about some another topic, and that is the confidence. The confidence myths we all have in our mind. So first of all, I just want to know from all of you how you define your confidence. For me, it is when I feel that I can do this task, when I feel that I can perform better, when I feel no, I don't need anyone help. I can do it alone by my own. That is my confidence. When I can go outside, I know all the things. That is my confidence. So for me, it is when I know everything. I am only the one who is going to help myself. That is my confidence. So here I want to talk about confidence for our speaking journey. I want to I want to ask from you, every eloquent speaker who is like an inspiration for us today, are they confident enough to speak fluently on the very first day when they started their journey? I feel 99% of people don't have that much confidence on the very first day when they start something new. Not only for spoken English, it is for every new thing. But what we are doing, we are just waiting for the day that some people think that I will speak English when I will feel confident. So my friend, I just want to say to you, confidence is not like a guest who will knock your door in a day, on a single day, and say to you that congratulations, now you are confident enough so you can speak English. No, it is not like that. For me, confidence comes when you repeat a action day by day, and by that repetition, you feel confident. So it is a fruit of repeated actions. So on the very first day, what you will need? So I think there is a thing which we call courage. In Hindi we call it साहस, हिम्मत. So हमें बस वो हिम्मत जुटानी है. What we have to do on the very first day, we should just took the very first step to courage, to gather all the courage, all the things we have, not things we have, all the courage we have. On the very first day, you should not think about what people will think about you, what happen if I mispronounce, if I am not able to speak some words perfectly as I am doing now. What happen if someone will judge me? What happen if someone will make my make any crack any jokes on me? So don't think about all these things, because you are learning for yourself. There is no one else for whom you are learning. First and the most important person is ourselves. So first day, on the very first day, we all need that courage. Courage is that seed. When you when you water the seed, then you get the fruit of confidence. I feel that I am speaking very correctly. So confidence comes later. On the very first day, we need courage. Just clear this thought. And whenever you feel that, for example, I just want to share with you, just think about a baby who just is learning how to walk, who is just starting how to take his first step. So if that baby is he is waiting for the very confidence, he is waiting that one day, then when he feel confident, then he will take his first step. No, it is not like that. Maybe that baby stumbles upon, that baby falls and then get backs up, but he is doing it continue, and then he learned how to walk properly. And that is the same case with us. In initial stage, in initial days, we can compare ourselves with that baby who is just learning how to walk. So we are also learning how to speak. Then you have to do your research, then you have to do your practices again and again and again. There is no measure. it is just like if you have a particular goal, then you have to put yourself. It is same like that. So my friend, don't wait for confidence. That day will come automatically when you took your courage, when you took your first step, and then you start speaking. So my friend, when you do it again and again and again, just like that baby, you will feel confident, and then you speak fluently. So there is an idiom that is Rome was not built in a day. So always remember, spoken English is not something like you can do it in a one day. No, it will take time, it will demand your time, it will, it need consistency, it need practice, it needs some efforts from our side, and it is easy. So when you stuck in a situation where you feel less confidence, then you can ask to yourself, don't I have that courage that I can speak now? Doesn't matter someone is going to judge me or not, because in reality if anyone, in 90% cases, not everyone is focusing on what you are speaking. They just want to grab the gist what you want to say. Only 10% cases, I'm talking about 10%, just for the safety purposes, that no one can offend it for me. Then they will check your grammar and sentence structure. So start speaking. You just took your courage, your first step, and then you will feel confident. Thank you. Bye bye, and have a nice day. Bye bye.